Hello and what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we're doing a quick unboxing, raw first impressions of this knife in here. If you know Vosteed, you know what's up. If you know this smiley face here, you know that means something special. So I'm excited to share this one with you guys. Of course, this knife and every other knife you see in this video will be linked down below if you guys want to check it out for prices, availability, and details. And doing the honors today, I got the Vosteed Porcupine. That's right, Porcupine.
Name something that follows the word pork.
You pine.
Huh?
This one has 14C 28N steel with their button operated top liner lock here, looking pretty sweet. Check out the unboxing on this one if you haven't already. But we're gonna go ahead and focus on this bad boy. That's right, we're looking at their brand new knife. I believe this is called the Akita. And so let's find out. It looks like we have the version here with the black wash blade and the blue aluminum. All right, so let's just go ahead and put the password in here. Can they get into the box? Yes, please. Thank you very much. All right, let's take a look. There is a sticker there, right, with a raccoon. I'm thinking that's a raccoon if I know my knives right. It's the Akita, an actual animal. I mean, I know they love animals. All their knives mostly have different animal names and whatnot. But we are checking out the Vanker lock here. First present on the Ankylo, and this thing is pretty solid, very strong. It's sort of a pivot lock, so it locks in the pivot, fidgetable and secure. One piece lock CNC mill from 5mm thick plate, and using anchor plate and a magnetic connector, built-in double safe system, multiple deployment, ultra fidgetability. Okay, so got me sold there. That checks a lot of boxes for me, I'll tell you that. So let's go ahead and check out the pouch. All right, zipper there with the Vosteed logo on the outside. Boom, there is the knife. That's already looking pretty good. Vosteed wiping cloth as usual, typical stuff with the Vosteed orange on the inside. All right, let's check out the knife, ladies and gentlemen. All right, I'll tell you right now, this thing is looking pretty good. It's looking pretty epic. Is this a stress on the aluminum here? I'm loving that. That's looking pretty sweet. So a lot of people worry that their aluminum is going to like scratch or whatever over time. You're already getting like a worn, stressed out look to the aluminum here. That's looking pretty neat. Loving the milling on it. They could have left it boring and plain, but that kind of looks like the rising sun, right? Sort of like these rays that start here and get wider and wider as you work your way out. There's a closer look at that. That's looking beautiful. And this thing just dropped, by the way. So I put a link on the community tab of my channel. It's another reason you might want to subscribe, because I keep you guys posted on knife drops like these all the time. If I get the scoop of something dropping via their Facebook group or their website or what have you, I would absolutely let you guys know. So let's go ahead and get the blade open here, shall we? Looks like we have a front flipper, opening hole. Obviously, we can use the Vanker lock. So this is going to be an exciting one. Here we go. I'm going to go front flipper first. Bam! All right, that was a snappy attitude open right there. Let me give her a nice little wipe right here on the black wash S35 VN blade. And that is a beautiful buoy geometry, guys. Check out the switch there in the front. We have a full black wash to it. That's looking pretty epic. It is a full flat grind. The plunge grind situation is way back here, right? The only smile you're going to get is a smile on Jared from Nice Knives, because yeah, this is definitely the way to go when designing a plunge grind on a knife. You're going to be able to sharpen this thing for the rest of your life, probably, and not get a smile anytime. So that's looking pretty epic there. Of course, let's go ahead and close this thing, right? This is the anchor lock in its essence. Got the button there in the pivot. Oh, that was nice. That was nice. And I think I've seen some disassembly too on this knife. The ball bearings are pretty epic, pretty sicey, if you would. Let's go ahead and reverse flick. Fail it, because, you know, total noob. Here we go. All right, let's try that reverse flick to redeem myself. Bam, there it is. All right, thumb deploy it. Boom. Either one of those is going to be pretty epic. All right, reverse flick, wall tune, thumb deployment, wall tune, and that front flipper is money.
Money!
Can you deploy with the actual Vanker lock? The answer is yes. Absolutely yes. So you got at least 4 different deployment options with this thing. Talk about fidgety knife. Yes, all day, every day. Definitely checks that box, that's for sure. It's a strong, does a lock really nice. I mean, if you see the inside of this thing, probably should do a disassembly video. Let me know in the comments if you love to see that. But yeah, that is strong. That is locked in place. That's not going anywhere anytime soon. Beautiful drop shot action. Man, yeah, definitely got the satisfying deployment going. Every single one is money. We got recessed liners on here, sandwich construction with one standoff. And check out the linear tube right there. Love that they put some sort of accent colors sometimes, that you can see here on the Vosteed Acorn. Right, they got an accented linear tube. It is actually gray on this Porcupine. The pocket clip is deep carry, and it actually reverses. It's reversible on the other side. After all, this is I would feel it because at least this point I'm not lefty, right? I can at least I can make a case for myself here. But yeah, this is an ambidextrous friendly knife. I have zero dexterity on my left hand. I promise you, the fact that I'm even doing this is because of many years of failing. But yeah, I'm just gonna stop right there because I barely can't do anything with my left hand, that's for sure. But if you're a lefty, right, they got you in mind with a reversible position there for the pocket clip. That's awesome. Check the ergos, right? Let's finally do that, right? There we go. This section right here, right? If you go that route, put your index finger there, all other fingers follow suit. I'm able to get a full purchase on it, boom, just like that. And then I can also forward choke there if I wanted to. Check out the finger choil situation. We got finger choil for days, and boom, we are locked and loaded, ready for whatever the day throws at us. EDC tasks, slicing, cutting, right? That's feeling pretty epic. Good amount of jimping there, right? From the front flipper, right, all the way to here. That works really good. And I mean, overall, it feels nice on hand. That pocket clip too, that feels comfortable also. I want to say that is a whole different pocket clip, right? We got a wire clip on the Porcupine. This is what the standard pocket clip looks like for Vosteed. So this one's a little bit different with a more square design as compared to the more rounded. I think I prefer this rounded one just a little bit more, but they went something different on that one. It's actually a little bit shorter too. Check them out there side by side. But let me see. How much do I feel the pocket clip? Not at all. Not at all. That's a good 9.5, 9.8 out of 10 right there. That's solid. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good with a good, good, decent weight to it. Not too heavy, not too light. Well, let's get just a quick scale weight on it. Just rapid fire. I want to say somewhere around 3 ounces. I'm going to call it 3.3 ounces, 3.5, somewhere in there. Ooh, how about nowhere? How about nowhere even close? 4.1 ounces, according to scale, 115 grams. I got to work on my calibration. Yeah. Sometimes I get it right, sometimes I don't. The Porcupine, for reference, was 3.2 ounces or 91 grams. And the Acorn was 89 grams or 3.1 ounces. Right, so it's a quick weight on that bad boy there to give you an idea. Again, this is just a quick overview unboxing. This is not a review, but at least I want to give you some detail, right? Some specs, right? Loving the blue on there, right? On the aluminum, there it is next to the Porcupine. Actually, very comparable size-wise. Right? You do get a little bit more blade on the Porcupine. Here is the Acorn. Acorn is very comparable, but just a hair shorter. Take a look there. Right, this one is a button liner lock. This is a liner lock, and then we have a whole pivot lock, unique to Vosteed, called the anchor lock on the Akita. Again, hopefully I've been getting that right. Hopefully I'm not butchering the name this entire video. Right, some more everyday knives here that you're more familiar with. PM2 and Pair 3. Right, definitely a little bit shorter than the Pair 3, as you can see. Here's the Demko AD 20.5, very comparable, just a hair shorter. The Nano Shark is definitely going to be much shorter there by comparison. On the more budget end of things, we got the Tenable Fenrir, we got the CJRB Pyrite Light, all very recommendable. Again, there are links for all these knives down below if you want to check them out. I also have content for all these knives in the channel, so if you want to check more insight about them, definitely do so. Type the knife name Miguel EDC on the YouTube search box, and you'll be pulling that video right away. The Vosteed Corgi and the Fintiso Parrot. Right, take a look at those. It's actually going to be a little bit shorter, or perhaps the same as the Corgi, but a little bit shorter than the Parrot. So hopefully you own some of those. It gives you a ballpark where this guy lands. Of course, we're going to get scientific with it. We're going to go Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Right, here we go. Piece of paper, right? Lame jokes aside, S35VN steel. Oh, baby. That's one thing you know for sure. Vosteed knives, they come laser sharp out of the box. So here we go. Give you the 5X zoom. Oh, baby. Let's go. All right. Look at that piece of paper. Boom. Bam. Yeah, this S35VN is not messing around. That's for sure. Full slice here. Bam. Boom. Oh, yes, sir. Bam. Let's go. Yeah, it actually is cutting this paper like butter, right? Cutting like butter. And yes, in case you're going to put a smart comment down there, butter does not cut. But when you cut butter, right, that's what I'm talking about. Piece of cardboard here, single wall cardboard. Remember, when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular but at an angle. Here we go. I got the forward choke position on this thing. Oh, let's go. Oh, yeah. Absolutely. This thing is not messing around. Bam. One last one. Yeah, that was effortless, guys. I can't even Not even exaggerating. Give her a nice little wipe here on this black stone wash. S35EN steel is not messing around, guys. It is absolutely going to perform. It is a premium steel. It's not the ultra premium steel we think about these days, like 20CV, S90V, M390 or whatever. But yeah, it's definitely a solid gray steel, and I'm glad they put that on here. Man, you guys rate this thing on a scale from 1 through 10. How sharp is this knife? Rate that factory edge on a scale from 1 through 10. 10 being the sharpest. You guys let me know. Guys, and I have absolutely amazing news. Vosteed is now on the TikTok shop. That's right, for all those of you who are actually on the TikTok shop, you can actually get this thing ordered through the TikTok shop as well. I'll put a link to my profile where you can click on the showcase. First of all, if you're not following me on TikTok, like, what are you waiting for? I actually got more followers over there than here on YouTube, like 20,000 plus or something. But yeah, if you click on the showcase, right, you'll be able to see this knife added to my showcase. You can pick it up from there. Shout out to Vosteed for not only sending this one in for me to share with you guys, but also adding their products to the TikTok shop. That is an amazing win. It used to be CJRB was the only one out there in the TikTok shop, but now Vosteed is out there as well, which is great. Love to see that. So check them out. I also have links for, you know, their own website and other dealers as well, in case anything is out of stock somewhere. But yeah, definitely check those links down below. Again, this thing is so fidgety, I can't stop messing around with it. So multiple deployment options, and it's gonna be rock solid strong. This thing is epic. I'll give you a little bit of, again, take a closer look at this diagram. We have really large ball bearings there, right? And then we have like one specific bar that slides right into a cutout, right here. You can see that cutout there, and yeah, it actually gets, that thing is not going anywhere. So if you want to see a disassembly on this knife, let me know in the comments. I typically don't do disassembly videos, but if you guys are interested, we can definitely look into that and make it happen for you all. So guys, let me know your thoughts on this one. What do you like? What do you love? Is there anything you dislike? Let me know your thoughts, impressions, concerns, feedback. We'd love to hear from you guys down there in the comment section. Go ahead and smash that like button. Helps this video reach a larger audience. And do consider subscribing. I make knife and EDC content like this on a daily basis, and you will not want to miss out. Shout out to my Patreon supporters for supporting what I do here. You guys are the best. Check out that video right there to the porcupine to the left, or this video here to the right that YouTube recommends. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me until the end. I love and appreciate every single one of you. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Either this one or this one. Peace!